5. Jewel wasp. Great, another parasitic wasp. This wasp, however, likes to use cockroaches as hosts for its young. First, the jewel wasp will seek out a roach. Then it stings the roach once in the brain to stop it from fleeing. Once the roach is immobilized, the wasp makes a much more surgical sting right in the part of the roach's brain that allows it to initiate complex behavior, like walking. From here, the wasp literally drags the cockroach by the antenna back to its burrow. Before the cockroach is released, the wasp lays one egg on its abdomen. Then the roach is allowed to return to the burrow. Before it leaves, the wasp makes sure to block up the entrance to the burrow. 3 days later, the wasp larva hatches and begins to slowly eat the insides of the cockroach. 4. Neurogenesis. Thanks to stem cell research, it will soon be possible for humans to regenerate decaying organs. While this procedure would work with most organs in the human body, it would not work on the brain. When we die, our brain begins decaying from the outside in. For those not familiar with human neurology, the outer layers of the brain contain the bits that make us human: memories, emotions, logic, etc., while the inner layers contain the bits that keep us alive and functioning: breathing, eating, heartbeat, etc. Unless you're reviving someone immediately, the outer layers of brain function will be too decayed to bring back. In a hypothetical situation like this, you might accidentally end up with a mindless zombie human who can live but not think. Now, think about someone with an evil purpose going about reviving the dead and creating an army of zombies. It could happen. 3. Neurotoxins. You might be familiar with neurotoxins in the form of chemical weapons. However, neurotoxins can also be used to induce very convincing death-like states in humans if you can get the proportions right. One of the deadliest neurotoxins on the planet is the kind produced by pufferfish. If you're unfortunate enough to ingest any of it, you'll be dead very soon. However, if applied on the skin, it can temporarily induce a death-like state. When the poison wears off, the victim still won't feel too great and might be able to be convinced that they are a zombie. While it's unlikely to cause a zombie apocalypse, what if the toxin was weaponized to zombify the masses? 2. Haitian zombies. Throughout history, there have been numerous reports of zombies on the island nation of Haiti. While it's difficult for modern researchers to substantiate many of these claims, they do make you think. In 1997, an English medical journal launched an investigation of 3 supposed cases of zombification in Haiti. Out of the 3 alleged zombies they studied, they concluded that none of them were actually zombies. One, they said, was suffering schizophrenia, and the other 2 were cases of mistaken identities. However, the study looked at just 3 cases. There have been many more throughout history that no one has researched critically. Could there be a zombie secret hiding in the wilderness of Haiti, waiting for its chance to strike? 1. Mad cow disease. Did you know that humans can get mad cow disease? In humans, doctors call it Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob has symptoms that are strikingly similar to how the rage zombies act in 28 Days Later. Here are a few of them. Changes in gait, hallucinations, stumbling and falling, muscle twitching, myoclonic jerks or seizures. Doesn't that sound like a zombie to you? Luckily though, Creutzfeldt-Jakob does not induce violent tendencies in its victims. However, it's not outside the realm of possibility that it could mutate over time to do so.